Hi everyone, welcome to 8482 Media. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and activate the Elementor plugin in WordPress. Elementor is a drag and drop page builder that makes it easy to design beautiful websites without any coding skills. So, let's get started. Go to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Elementor in the search bar on the right and press Enter. The Elementor plugin should appear as the first option in the search results. Click on Install and then Activate. And that's it. You have successfully installed and activated the Elementor plugin. To start, simply create new page. For example, Home, and then click Publish, and then click on Edit with Elementor. This will take you to the Elementor editor, where you can drag and drop various elements onto your page and customize them to your liking. That's all for this tutorial on how to install and activate the Elementor plugin in WordPress. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to use Elementor to create amazing websites.